Big Tractor Power fans. This video comes to you from a recently harvested cornfield near Galesburg, Illinois, where a versatile 450 Delta-Track 4-track tractor is plowing up the corn stalks with a Case IH 9-shank 870 Mulch Ripper. Typically, when you're watching a Big Tractor Power YouTube video, I'm out in the field on a nice sunny day where you can see the tractor and implement hard at work. But farming often goes late into the night, and in this video, we're going to spend time in the field after dark with the Delta-Track and the Case IH Ripper. There never seems to be enough hours in the fall season during harvest and tillage. As October closes out and November sets in, the farm is trying to harvest its corn and plow up the ground to prepare it for next year's spring planting. The farm is trying to stay ahead of wet weather that's setting in, and frozen ground and snow is not that far around the corner, and that's where this Delta-Track really shines with its power, traction, and light package to allow the farm to continue plowing through the night to get the job done. In this video, I'll climb up in the cab of this 450 horsepower Delta-Track tractor so you can see the operator's perspective of running this big machinery after dark. You'll be able to see how the lighting package brightens up the field so the operator can see the path ahead of the tractor and the tillage operation behind it clearly. I'll talk about this tractor's production history and specifications, as well as visiting with the operator about some of the technology that goes into the transmission's functions. But first, let's head out to the field so you can see and hear this big prairie monster in action.
Sure lights it up outside.
Oh, it does, yeah.
The 450 DT was manufactured from 2013 through 2017 in Winnipeg, Manitoba at Versatile's Tractor Factory. It's powered by a Cummins 14.9-liter 6-cylinder 912 cubic inch QSX 15 turbocharged engine rated at 450 horsepower. It features a Caterpillar TA22 full power shift transmission with 16 forward and 4 reverse speeds. The tractor is equipped with a 475-gallon diesel fuel tank, and it weighs in at 58,850 pounds.
Push it forward and it starts going.
So no clutch, just push that forward.
Yep. downshift up here. And then clicking into the automatic mode, which will light on the dash. And as it pulls down, it should downshift on its own.
Okay. So that's the green light there on the
Yes.
dashboard, kind of
Yes.
like cruise control on a car.
Yeah, and there is a cruise control on this too, where I can set the RPMs and keep it at 1900 or 1950, but plowing I usually let it go. Might not shift.
So we've got a 9-chain Case IH 870 back there.
11.
11, okay.
Or no, 9, you're right.
Okay.
You're right.
And that, what kind of points do you run on that?
The 360 bolt points, they seem to do a real good job.
Yeah, it looks like it really works the ground up well. I'm sure here in Illinois you got a lot of residue to contend with.
Yeah, there's a lot of residue. I think the ground where we're at is a harder, more packed soil, good black dirt. Oh, it's got a downshift there.
So we're in automatic mode, and this will
Yes.
start throttling itself back as we get up to the headland.
Well, I will.
Okay.
I'll have the throttle back, but it should downshift.
It's definitely a very smooth riding tractor.
Yeah, really smooth. I don't have any waterways to go across in this field with you, but it's amazing how it contours the ground when you do go through a waterway.
So what does the automatic, I can feel it kind of slow down as we
Yeah,
hit
see,
the new pass.
when I dropped that in, didn't have my RPMs up high enough, so therefore it dropped down to third gear on me. It's just operator error, I think. I think once if I'd work it more and figure it out, it'd work a lot better. It's just, it wants to downshift when it gets lower RPMs.
Well, it certainly works up the dirt back there, and
Yeah.
it's well matched with the 870.
And drier ground, it works a lot better.
I guess that's the nice thing about having tracks, so if you
Yeah.
get it done and get out there when it's a little wet.
We don't want it so wet, that we're just smearing. We want to
Right.
make sure we're still busting that thing.
I hope that you've enjoyed spending time out in this Illinois field and up in the cab of this versatile 450 Delta Track tractor pulling the Case IH 870 Mulch Ripper as they work into the night to push ahead to wrap up fall tillage for the year before winter weather sets in and freezes the ground and brings all field operations to a halt until next spring. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. Make sure to click on the notifications bell as well so you'll know when the next Big Tractor Power video is released. New videos are coming out almost every day from the channel. If you have any questions or thoughts about this video, please leave them in the comment section below as I try to respond to every post that is made. If you would like to get a preview of what is coming up next on Big Tractor Power YouTube, make sure to check out Big Tractor Power Instagram, where I share pictures and short video clips of what is currently being filmed in the field. As always, thank you for watching.